Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech vlog. We are here in a beautiful resort place in Batangas City. Dito tayo ngayon sa Pontefino Hotel, and we're going to do the unboxing of the Oppo A5 Pro 5G from Oppo Philippines. Alright, maganda yung venue natin. Maganda yung room, may swimming pool. We're gonna test the waterproof feature of this Oppo A5 Pro 5G. But before I do the test, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs nito at also, ayan, saka natin siya i-unbox, no? Alright, thank you so much Oppo Philippines for this at maganda yung nilalabas yung phone for this year, 2025. Alright, so ito na yung tech specs ni Oppo A5 Pro 5G from Oppo Philippines. For the display, meron siyang 6.67 inches ultra bright LCD display na meron 89.9% screen to body ratio. Meron siyang 120Hz max refresh rate and 120Hz touch sampling rate. Well, I'm sure okay ito for gaming. Meron siyang 16.7 millions of colors, 264 ppi pixel density sa screen, at meron siyang 83% na DCI-P3 color gamut. Meron siyang 1000 nits max brightness under sunlight, so kahit maarawan or may mga bright light, makikita nyo pa rin yung content nyo sa screen ninyo. At meron siyang Corning Gorilla Glass 7i Sensation Alpha. Uy, Corning Gorilla Glass ito yung nakita ko kasing specs nila dun sa website ni Oppo. At meron siyang natawag na Splash Touch feature. It means that kahit nabasa yung kamay nyo, ma-operate nyo pa rin yung screen ninyo sa inyong Oppo A5 Pro 5G. For the body, meron siyang 195 grams ng weight at 164.82mm na height niya at 75.53mm yung kanyang width. For the thickness, it's 7.76mm, so napakanipis din niya. At sabi dito, it has a military grade body with AM04 aluminum alloy yung kanyang body. At meron siyang interesting nyo, gusto ko nang i-discuss to para malaman nyo, na meron siyang IP rating na IP66, 68 at 69. Wait, it means that pwede ito sa pag-submerge sa mga fresh water like swimming pool, river, sa bathtub or sa shower. Pwede basahin. So meron siyang dust and water resistance plus high temperature, pwede siyang mainitan, kayang-kaya niya, and high pressure of water, kayang-kaya niya. Magsusurvive yung Oppo A5 Pro 5G dahil yun nga, it has a military grade body. For the CPU, meron siyang MediaTek Dimensity na 6300. This is an octa-core processor na merong 6nm process at ang kanyang GPU is ARM Mali G52 MC2. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Color OS 15 Lite based on Android 15. Yan, sa Android to. May Google. For the memory, gumagamit siya ng 8GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. Napakaganda nito, no? Meron siyang RAM expansion feature na up to 12GB. So yung 8GB pwede mong dagdagan, kaya-kaya niyang to full blast to 12GB of RAM. Pinakamaganda rito, meron siyang micro SD and card supported. So pwede ka maglagay ng micro SD to expand yung mga memory nito, no? So yung 56 pwede maging 1TB. At meron siyang USB OTG support. For the camera naman, the rear camera is a 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture na AF na main camera. At meron pa siyang 2 megapixel na 2.4 aperture na portrait camera. So this is a dual camera with flash. At it can do video recording up to 1080p 60fps. Slow mo niya 720 to 120 fps. Yung time-lapse video niya can do 1080p 30 fps. Dual view video mode 720 30 fps. At yung kanyang shooting mode for the rear camera is photo, video, portrait, night mode, pro mode, panorama, slow-mo, dual view video, time-lapse, sticker, document scanner, and Google Lens for the rear camera. And now for the front camera naman, meron siyang 8 megapixel na may 2.0 aperture. Video recording niya is up to 720p 30 fps lang siya. For the time-lapse, meron siyang 1080p 30 fps, dual view video 720 30 fps. For the shooting mode for the front camera, it's meron siyang photo, video, portrait, night mode, panorama, dual view video, time-lapse, sticker, retouch, at screen fill light. Pag magabi, may screen fill light siya para at least makita yung mukha ninyo pag selfie kayo sa gabi or sa madilim na area. For the battery specs ni Oppo A5 Pro 5G, meron siyang 5,800 mAh of battery na merong 45 watts Super VOOC 2.0 wired fast charging. So you have to use the original nito, no, para makuha nyo yung fast charging niya, no. At meron siyang 35.7 hours of screen off calling, 16.1 hours of YouTube playback, 31.3 hours of local audio playback. That's the magagawa nyo yung sa 5800 na milliampere battery niya, no. At sabi dito sa fast charging niya, 10% charge in 5 minutes, 100% charge in 83 minutes. Medyo matagal yung 83 minutes, no. Over 4 years of durable battery. It means that it will stay at its good condition pag kahit naka 1,600 charging cycles kayo. So parang 4 years durable battery niya kahit tumagal to. Hindi siya yung mabilis malobat or mabilis siyang masira kagad, no. So talagang matagal tong battery ni Oppo A5 Pro 5G. For the other specs, the Oppo A5 Pro 5G, this is a dual nano SIM phone. It is 5G ready at meron siyang Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth is 5.3, USB Type-C port siya at kaya ear jack niya is Type-C. And meron siyang NFC support, meron siyang fingerprint scan, facial recognition, at na-mention ko na kanina, IP rating na IP66, 68, 69, dust and water resistance. At meron siyang high temperature, kaya-kaya niya high temperature and high pressure water. For the high temperature, no, meron siyang kaya-kaya niya mag-survive ng mga 80 Celsius na hot water splash. At for underwater naman, 1.5 meters for 30 minutes underwater. Pero sabi ni Oppo, pag ginamit ito sa underwater, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-charge ka agad or mag-transfer ng data cable, no? For example, kailangan mo lang ipahinga muna yung phone for 2 hours para matanggal yung tubig niya. So ganun, kailangan patuyuin mo mabuti yan bago nyo i-charge, kasi kung di, makuryente kayo. Meron siyang feature na tatawag na VC cooling system. Pinalalamig niya yung phone, hindi siya nag-overheat pag kayo super gaming mode sa bahay. At meron siyang live photo, to capture yung mga moving subjects, no. Pwede siyang video, pwede siyang maging photo na rin din. Meron siyang AI, so ito yung merong AI kay Oppo, no. AI imaging, meron siyang AI retouch and portrait mode. At meron siyang AI editor na AI unblur, reflection remover, at AI eraser, yung pinakapaborito natin sa feature ni Oppo. At syempre, meron siyang AI studio to convert those pictures into AI images. Kumbaga, nakakapag-generate siya ng AI imagery, no, using the Oppo A5 Pro 5G. So marami pa siyang mga AI like the AI assistant for document, summary, translate, or rewrite. Meron siyang tatawag na outdoor mode, no. Ito yung for example, no, sabi specially developed for those who work outdoors. The A5 Pro 5G is dedicated outdoor mode boost. Binuboost niya yung performance ng phone kasi for example in open air environment, kumbaga pag naka-outdoor siya, so baga na-optimize niya yung phone para hindi siya mag-overheat, for example, or parang nasa elements kayo ng rain or sunlight, no. At meron siyang network optimization for work. It accelerates and optimize network setting to boost signal reception stability kahit nasa outdoor kayo. Yung buong phone niya, yung buong phone na body is may antenna, so pinapalakas pa niya yung signal. At for outdoor naman, that it increases screen on time, enables hands-free and maximum volume by default. So may mga settings siya kasi, for example, if you do motor riding, no, nakamotor ka, na-enhance pa niya yung phone for outdoor use. At meron siyang glove touch, kumbaga stay in control even with thick leather gloves, protective gloves, rubber gloves, at waterproof gloves. Kahit naka-gloves ka, ma-operate mo rin yung phone. Pero I think yun ang check natin kung paano itong outdoor mode na to, no? For example, may gloves ako, no? Paano natin ma-operate siya? I think you need to do some switches muna para magamit yung outdoor mode. For the body ng Oppo A5 Pro 5G, available siya in mocha brown, flower pink, at olive green. At ang nakuha kong color is parang flower pink, pero sabi dito is bloom pink. 8GB, 256GB of storage. So ayun, pink yung laman nito, so hindi tayo ma-surprise. For the SRP, wala pa siyang SRP. Abangan nyo sa main launch, no. I'll just change the title nitong video para makita nyo yung SRP niya. Alright, so that's it. Discuss na natin yung tech specs nito at abangin natin, unbox na natin to para makita na natin siya. Alright, so here's the Oppo A5 Pro 5G from Oppo Philippines. Unbox na natin to. This is the 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, at nakuha ko is flower pink or bloom pink na body. So let's check it out. Unbox na natin to. And here we go. So excited to try kasi military grade daw tong phone na to, no? So this box is ang weird, no? Minsan sa ibang box, no, nauna kagad yung phone, pero ito nauna kagad yung box niya with a manual at yung SIM tray pin niya. Ayan, quick guide, safety guide, and also it's jelly case na talagang mukha na naman siyang yung luggage style siya. So gumagawa sila ng ganitong trend, no. So ayan. And here's the phone. Unbox na natin tong phone na to. Ayan. So this is the unit. Wow. Check it out, yo. Tanggalin natin. May pagka-color niya ng pink, oh. Bloom pink. Ganda ng body. Wow. Tangatin yung sticker para walang storbo. And here's the body. Grabe yung sticker niya. Ang hirap tanggalin, masyado makapit. So here's the Oppo A5 Pro 5G. Ito yung color niya, pink, bloom pink or flower pink. Mukha siyang pink ba talaga? Ito medyo pink. Hindi ko alam, mag-change siya ng color pag may mga ilaw, no? So this is the phone and meron pang laman. So this is the charging brick, the 45 watts, tsaka yung data cable niya. Ayan. So, ito yung makukuha nyo if you buy the Oppo A5 Pro 5G. So, tingnan nyo na lang. Dapat kompleto yan. Alright. Alright, here's the body of the Oppo A5 Pro 5G. Lalagyan ko lang ito ng alcohol para matanggal yung sticker niya, no? Yung parang adhesive niya. So, this is the dual camera. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang flash. Ito ang kanyang flash yung bilog. At from the front camera, ito siya. Ayan yung front camera niya. So, sa taas, it's very clean. Sa side is, doon yung SIM tray niya. Ayan. There's a microphone, speaker, USB Type-C. So, wala siyang ear jack, USB Type-C siya. This is the power button, tsaka yung volume. Ayan, I'm sure, for sure, itong power button is the, fingerprint scan. So, check natin yung SIM tray niya, no? Let's check the SIM tray. Kung talagang siya, expandable yung kasi meron siyang micro SD. So here we go. Boom! Okay, dual SIM nga siya. But pag nag-dual SIM ka, hindi ka na makakapaglagay ng micro SD card dito. So one SIM ka lang and you can use the other one for extra SIM or a micro SD card, which is okay na rin din. Okay, that's good. Balikan natin to. Alright, for the good part, set up na natin to. Ayan. Setup na natin. Medyo mahaba tong video na to, but I will cut it na lang. Oy, ayaw mag-power on. Ayan na. Nag-vibrate na, and welcome to Oppo. By the way, this video is being recorded using the Oppo Find X8, aking bagong paboritong phone for this year. Alright, so setup ko na muna to, no? At mamaya balikan natin, and let's do a waterproof testing after this. Alright! Alright, so na-update na natin, no? Na-setup na natin siya. So let's click get started. So hindi ko na pinakita yung aking pag-register sa Google. I did the password na rin din, facial recognition at fingerprint. So eto na siya. Taasan natin yung screen niya, no? Para makita ninyo. Alright, wow, ang ganda. Ganda. Ano to? Ayan. Alright, so this is the Oppo A5 Pro 5G from Oppo Philippines. The screen is, ang ganda ng forma ng phone nila ngayon, ha. Nagagandahan ako, sobrang ganda. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng phone nila ngayon. Parang I like the pink version, no? Mas maganda siya. So ito siya, mabilis naman yung response niya, no? Mabilis naman. So for the memory, no, yung kung gusto mong i-update siya, for example, hanapin natin yon for the memory expansion niya. I think dito sa about the device yata, Ayan, you can up to 8 GB pala siya. Hanggang 16 pala, 16. Hindi 12. Up to 16 yung pwede niyang i-expand. So I guess this is 16 GB of RAM na. Ayan, 8 plus 8. So 16. So hindi siya 12 GB yung as I mentioned earlier, no. Ayan. So let's check out the camera. So for the camera, it has a photo. Wala siyang wala siyang wide angle. So it's 1x and 2x. 1x and 2x lang ang kanyang format. And you can zoom up to, wala nakalagay kung anong zoom, 10x lang for the photo. And for the video, 1x lang din, tsaka 2x ang niya. And zoom up to 10x siya. So, ito yung photo niya. So, wala siyang wide angle. So, kung walang wide angle, you go to the more panoramic. Magpa-panoramic na lang kayo ng gano'n. Parang kamukha na ganito. Parang ganyan na yung tsura ng wide angle ninyo. Panoramic na. Which is very time consuming, but it's still effective. Wide siya, di ba? Mas wider pa, di ba? Ganun na lang gagawin ninyo, no? At meron siyang Pro Video, Pro mode pala, Pro mode for the camera, picture camera, Pro mode, yung mga settings. May video, photo, portrait. I think the portrait is much more better, no? So more, may night mode, high res, pano, slow-mo, time-lapse, dual view, sticker, at dock scanner. For the photo selfie, syempre, ito tayo. Mabilis naman yung kanyang front camera, the 8 megapixel front camera. Medyo okay na rin din. But, syempre, may iba kailangan mas gusto nila mas mataas yung megapixel. For the video, we're shooting at 1080p 30 fps lang. Yun yung pinakang highest niya. Sadly, it's 1x only, no? Ayan. Stop. Ay, mag-stop. Ayun, okay na. Kasi kabubukas lang natin kaya medyo ano pa lang yung ano niya. Response niya. For the selfie, maganda yung lighting na. Medyo may pagka-grainy siya or medyo may pagka-sharpness for the 8 megapixel front camera. Playback natin for the sounds. Ayan, medyo loading pa siya kasi kabubukas lang natin eh. Maganda yung lighting na. Medyo may pagka-grainy siya, medyo may pagka-sharpness for the 8. 300% na volume kaya. Maganda yung lighting na. Medyo may pagka-grainy siya, medyo may pagka-sharpness for the 8. Okay, approve siya, no? Approve. For the stabilization, I'm not sure. Kasi hindi naman sinabi sa specs ko may stabilization siya. Well, let's check the walang ano for the stabilization. Kung gagamitin siya for video, gumamit na kayo ng gimbal kasi mukha siyang wala siyang stabilization. Hindi na naman nabanggit kung meron siyang OIS eh. So, okay, let's do the waterproofing para mas masaya, no? Alright, let's do this. Alright. Tama-tama, meron tayong lababo dito, no? Let's try the waterproofing. Binabasa natin siya. Ayan. So, the phone is still okay. Nagpe-press nga lang siya kasi yung tubig, yung gripo, ano siya, operator control. So, pwedeng pa ganito na lang din. Ayan. Habang nag-a-update, binabasa natin. And the phone is still okay and fine. Alright, dito tayo sa swimming pool. Swimming pool area tayo. We're going to test out the Oppo A5 Pro 5G sa pool. Ayan, ito siya. Para makita nyo, it's still operating. Actually nag-i-install nga. Ayan, nag-i-install nga siya. Alright, tubog na natin to. Well, I guess I have to do it handheld na, no, to shoot this video. No, wait lang. Alright, Oppo A5 Pro 5G sa swimming pool. Test out na natin to. At talagang itutubog ko talaga yung aking paa. At napakalamig ng tubig. Ano ba yan? Diyos ko. Grabe. So, heto na. Here's the phone. Ayan. Password muna natin. Here's the phone. Okay, nag-install pa rin siya. So, tubog na natin siya sa ilalim, no? Bye-bye! So, ito na. There's the phone. Yung Oppo A5 Pro 5G. At you can still operate it kahit basa. Ayan, kahit basa siya. Nag-on pa yung camera. Ayan. Ayan siya. Kalubog na. Sabi nila can submerge up to 30 minutes, no? Mababa naman tong depth natin, no? So, wala naman problema. It's still underwater. And you can still operate it underwater. Ayan. Medyo naglalag lang siya ng konti kasi pag nasa underwater pero yung face recognition is working properly, no? Walang problema. And submerge ko siya. I'm not sure kung meron siyang no? Wala siyang underwater mode. Yeah, medyo nabasa yung front camera. You have to wipe it off. Wala siyang tawag dito, yung pang-eject ng ng tubig. But I think nasa settings yan. Let's go to the settings. Baka nandito, no? Kung meron siyang eject water na feature, mukhang wala, no? Mukha siyang wala. Dapat nilagyan nila to para at least mai-eject yung tubig dun sa speaker, which is medyo worry ko lang din kasi pag nababasa kasi nagma-muff yung microphone and also yung speaker. Pero since nalubog natin siya, i-test out natin to, playback natin yung ating video kaninang shoot natin kanina, no? Okay, do not turn back up. So ito na siya, playback natin. Ay, okay siya. Walang muff.
Maganda yung lighting na. Medyo may pagka-greeny siya. Medyo may pagka-sharpness for the 8.
Ay, okay. Yung speaker is doing well. Let's check the video. Mag-vlog tayo. Punasan ko lang to. Ayan. Oh, so nakikita ko, no? Wala siyang stabilization. So medyo ano lang, may moisture yung front camera. Pero mamaya mawala rin yan. Okay, test mic, test check. 1 2 1 2 microphone test check. 1 2 1 2. Check natin yung microphone kung okay siya after submerging it. Ayun, yung microphone is nagmuff na kasi nalagyan siya ng tubig. So the microphone will be okay na rin din after 2 hours for I guess, no, kasi may ibang phone naabot ng 4 days eh. So I guess mamaya to i-wisik-wisik natin para matanggal yung tubig dun sa microphone niya. But the phone is okay and working well. All right.
2, 3, go!
So mga 30 minutes.
Test na rin natin yung
Is it alive?
Dust and water resistance. Even after dumping it.
Oh, it's alive! It's alive! Yun!
Hashtag upo lang sa kalam.
Upo lang sa kalam. 3. Umuusok yung phone, grabe oh. Umuusok siya oh. Umuusok. Sobrang init, sobrang init.
Touchscreen.
init. Init. Okay. Okay. O hindi kasi baka hindi nagre-register. Hindi may tubig kasi. Baka...
Musok.
Baka dapat clear shot pa.
Sobrang init eh. Sobrang init. It's alive.
Dahil siya nagbukas ng LinkedIn.
So that's it guys for our unboxing at quick check natin, no, itong Oppo A5 Pro 5G from Oppo Philippines. So abangan nyo for the SRP, babaguhin ko yung title nito, itong screen nito. I'll be posting some announcement na rin din sa mga social media ko. Also my video na rin din kung kailan ito magkakaroon ng SRP. And the phone looks okay, no. For the SRP sana 15,000 plus, no, ganong style niya, but this is much more expensive for sure kasi yung Oppo Reno 30 sa 20 plus eh. So dito expecting ko Oppo A5 Pro Plus, A5 Pro 5G. sana siya mga 15,000 range or mas magandang mas lower, you know. Alright, I'll end down my video here. I'm still here in Pontefino, Batangas, so check it out. Ganda ng area dito. So yun, thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, now thank you for this Oppo Philippines at ayun, another great product for this year. Alright.